How to wrap text around a circle in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Click on Insert at the top. Then click on Shapes. Expand Shapes and select Oval as there is no circle shape. After that, make oval shape in here. After you have done that, you'll find it in this way. Then at the top, click on Insert Word Art. Select any font you want. After that, add your text. After you have added your text at the top, you'll find Text Effect in Shape Format. Click on Text Effect. In here, you'll find Transform. Click on it, and here you'll find Text Wrap option, which is also known as circle. Click on it, adjust your text how you want it in your circle. After that, you're good to go. As you can see, my text is wrapped around circle. After that, at the top, click on Layout. In Layout, you will find Selection pane. Click on it. Then on the right side, select Text Box 1 and then click on CTRL and select Oval with your mouse. After both of them are selected, at the top, click on Group and it will be grouped. When you move it, it will move it together. And this is how to wrap text around a circle in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.